Jackman here, Chief of Chug Patrol. Are you ready to rescue? Join our squad, take control, and get ready to roll! Wilson is racing around a bend with his friends Coco and Brewster. Suddenly, they screech to a halt. Oh no! A fallen tree has derailed Harrison.
Oh, bumpers!
There are logs everywhere. Luckily, Chug Patrol is close by. We're always ready to rescue. Are you ready for your first Chug Patrol challenge? Chug Patrol are in control. Move the logs to clear the track. Good job! You've won a cleanup badge! Soon, Harrison is back on the rails. Wilson, Brewster and Coco return to the depot. It's time for advanced training. Hanzo invites Coco to join Speed Fleet. Brewster is joining the Chuggineers. Zach, Fletch and Tyne. Wilson gets to be a Chug Patrol trainee. He hooks up to Chug Patrol 1. It's a claw car. Chug Patrol, are you ready to roll?
We are the Chuggineers!
Action. Catch red cars. Nice one! Good job! Oh, that was close. Try again. Nice work! You've won a wagon rescue badge! While Wilson plays with Chug Patrol 1, Coco and Brewster explore Rocky Ridge Mine. Uh-oh, did you hear that big rumble? Watch out for rocks falling onto the track.
Slow down, Coco!
Coco is going too fast. She hits a rock and crash! Oh no! Coco's in trouble. Chug Patroller, are you ready to rescue?
Go and get help, Brewster, quick!
Lights, please. Tap, Brewster. Nice one. Let's activate Chug Patrol 1. Help Wilson pull Coco to safety.
Let's ride rails!
Whew, that was close. Well done. You've won a mine rescue badge. If you'd like to join Wilson, Brewster and Coco for more challenges and fun,
on the island of Sodor.
Great! That's perfect. Just spin the wheel to rotate the turntable. Excellent! Your engine was really happy to help. Great! That's perfect. Just spin the wheel to rotate the turntable. Excellent! Your engine was really happy to help. Where should we go next? Left leads to... Great! Own magical train set. Where should we go next? Left leads to... We need to send the other engines on their way. Use the wheel to spin the turntable. Great! That's perfect. Just spin the wheel to rotate the turntable. Excellent! Your engine was really happy to help. You've no new toys. Choose.
Hi, I'm Caillou. Today, I'm visiting the doctor for a checkup.
The direction. Forward leads to Brendam Docks. Left leads to Knapford Station. Knapford Station is just ahead. Right leads to the Lob. Next stop, Crazy Coaster Mountain. Excellent! Just slice across it or tap it to open.
Hi.
The engines love that. Knapford Station is just ahead. The passengers have all reached their destination, and thank you very much. Good job. Just slice across it or tap it to open. Where should we go next? Left leads to... The pig farm is near. Go! Go! Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into their... Super! That was great! there's nothing left to... Choose a direction. Right leads... The Great Waterton Station is coming up. Left leads to water slide. Left leads to Waterslide Mountain. This Henry's Tunnel is nearby.